In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a before-after color grading transition video in CapCut. This effect shows your original footage on one side and your color-graded version on the other, then smoothly reveals the grade across the frame. It's clean, professional, and perfect for showcasing your editing skills. First, open CapCut and head into your editing workspace. If you're continuing a project, open it. If not, start a new one and make sure your timeline is ready for the clip you want to use. Next, add your video. Import your footage and place it on the timeline. Scrub through quickly to confirm it plays correctly and pick the section you want to feature for the transition. Now duplicate the video. Create a copy of the clip and position the duplicate directly above the original so they're perfectly aligned. We'll use the top clip for the graded version, while the bottom clip remains untouched as the before. Keeping them stacked is essential for the split reveal to work seamlessly. With the top clip selected, adjust the colors. Open the color or adjust panel and make your grading changes here. Tweak exposure, contrast, saturation, white balance, and curves to taste. Or apply a preset as a starting point and refine it. The key is to make visible but balanced improvements, so the difference is clear without looking overdone. Next, with that same top clip still selected, click on Mask. This tool will let us reveal part of the top clip while keeping the other part from the original visible underneath. Choose the Split Mask option. You'll see a dividing line appear on the preview. Rotate it if you want a vertical or horizontal split, depending on your footage and preference. Make adjustment to the mask. Drag the split line where you want the reveal to start, often all the way to one edge. Increase the feather slightly to soften the seam between before and after, which helps avoid a harsh line. Check the frame to ensure important details aren't awkwardly cut in half. You can nudge the line to frame a subject cleanly. Finally, use Keyframe to animate the reveal. Add a keyframe with the split at the starting edge, then move the playhead forward, and drag the split to the opposite edge to create the second keyframe. Play it back and adjust the timing for a smooth, satisfying sweep. If available, a gentle ease can make the motion feel more polished. And that's it, a clean before and after color grading transition in CapCut.